Assalamu alaikum students, this is Miss Meher Munir. Hope you all are doing good. After completing two contents of our English grammar, we are now moving towards content number 3, that is articles. You all have been learning articles since many years, and today in this video we will again revise the content articles according to our new edition book of new edition of our grammar tree. What are articles? This is the basic concept which is not given in the grammar tree, so I provided it by myself to make it clear to you all. An article is a word that signals the appearance of a noun. It is the most simple definition of article. Article वो चीज़ होती है जो noun से पहले हम noun की appearance से पहले appearance को show करने के लिए use करें. Kinds of articles. There are 3 articles in English grammar. They are a, an and the. This is a chart showing and categorizing articles in 2 different kinds, indefinite articles and definite articles. A and N are indefinite articles, whereas the is definite article. We will now understand the uses of articles one by one. Uses of a. Before a singular noun beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. For example, a kettle, a university. The first example is a kettle. Kettle starts with a word K, which is a consonant, and the second example is a university. University, although university starts with a vowel U, but the sound is Y. But the sound is used as a sound of Y, a university. So that is why we used a here. Rule number 2. Before a proper noun which is either unfamiliar or holds a special meaning. For example, a Mazhar Baloch wants to see you. When a proper noun is used, is unfamiliar or it holds a special meaning, it is required to use a here. Rule number 3. With a number beginning with a consonant sound. When a number is beginning with a consonant sound, again we will use a. For example, a 10 rupee note. Rule number 4. Before half when half follows a whole number, or after half when it is not. The first example is 1.5 liters, which is showing that we used a before half, as half was denoting a whole number, and in the second example we used a after half because it was not reflecting a whole number. Rule number 5. When with an expression of quantity. When we are expressing a quantity, a large quantity or a small quantity, we will use a here. For example, a lot of time. We expressed the quantity of time which is a lot, so we used a here. Rule number 6 and the last rule of usage of usage of a. In exclamation before nouns. For example, what a pity. It was an exclamation before a noun. Pity is a noun and we used it in an exclamation. So we learned 6 rules of using a. Uses of n. Rule number 1. Before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an ant, an egg. When we are speaking with a sound of vowel, we will use n. Rule number 2. Before an abbreviation beginning with a vowel or a consonant with a vowel sound. So basically it means that when a vowel sound is coming up, we will use n. For example, NMP. MP is of course the abbreviated form of Member of Parliament. So we used n. MP because the sound is a. So a is a vowel, so we used NMP. Then the second example is NMA. Again it is a sound of MA sound, that is why we used N. MA is the abbreviated form of Masters of Arts, so we used N because the sound which is coming up is of vowel. Rule number 3. Before a word beginning with a silent H. For example, N higher, N R. which is, of course, H is silent, and the sound which is coming up is of vowel, so we used N. Uses of the. Before a noun that has already been referred to. For example, the lady that we met yesterday is my senior from school. This is the reference of the lady that we met yesterday, so that we used the word the here. Rule number 2. Before a singular noun representing a whole class. For example, the banyan is a popular tree. The banyan is showing that it is the whole class of tree or whole category of tree, so we used the. Rule number 3. Before superlatives. For example, the most useful. The most useful is the superlative degree, so we used the here. Rule number 4. Before an adjective, when the noun referred to is understood and doesn't require more information. For example, the rich. We used the before rich because rich is understood and it doesn't require more information, so we used the. Omission of articles. With proper material and abstract nouns, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. With plural nouns, omission of article is basically zero article, where we will not need any article. We will say that we used omission of articles or we used zero article there. When there is no need of using article, we use zero article, which is no article, and these are the cases in which we should omit articles. Rule number 3. With seasons, languages, subjects, parts of the body and games. Rule number 4. With names of institutions used in a general sense. Rule number 5. With predicative nouns denoting a unique position, that is a position normally held at one time by one person. These all rules that I mentioned in the video are given in your books. You will read out them with the examples and it will be more clear to you. This is a chart showing usage of articles or making concepts of article more clear. Article the, which is of course the definite article. Example, I'm reading out the blue box. A. Please close the door. The door is understood in this sentence. I am specifying the door to be closed, so I used the here. B. Should we watch the movie you just rented? Now again I am further explaining about the movie. I am giving a reference of the movie that you just rented. So I used the here. It is not a common movie. It is a movie that you just rented. Explanation. The speaker and listener know exactly which door and which movie. That is exactly what I just said. The door is a very specific door that she wants to be closed. The movie is a very specific movie, not just any movie. When we are talking about specific things, we use the. A and N are indefinite articles. Example, please close a door. This chart is very helpful because it is using the same examples and it is showing you the difference of indefinite and definite articles. A. Please close a door. Now the door is the very common door and it is not a particular one, so we used a here. B. Should we watch a movie? This is again a very common movie, so we used a. Explanation. The speaker does not mean anything specific. She wants the listener to close any door and also watch any movie. There is not a particular door or particular movie she is talking about. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. These 10 sentences are giving you a further practice of articles. Let's discuss these sentences. We shall be back in an hour. R is starting with a sound of vowel, so we used N. Sentence number 2. The lion is the biggest of all cats. I'm again specifying the animal, which is lion, so I used the. And biggest is the superlative degree, so before biggest I used the. Sentence number 3. He has a 50 rupee note. This is a singular noun. Note. This is not notes. So I used a. He has a 50 rupee note. Sentence number 4. You must wait for an opportunity to speak to him. Opportunity starts with a vowel and the sound is also of a vowel, so I used N. Sentence number 5 conveys the same case. I want to become an actress. Actress is again starting with a vowel, so I used N. Sentence number 6. They are in a hurry. Hurry is an abstract noun, so I used a here. Sentence number 7. Always speak the truth. I am specifying that we should always speak the truth. Sentence number 8. Help the needy. Needy is again representing the whole class, so we used the. Sentence number 9. Steel is the toughest metal. Toughest is the superlative degree, so we used the. And the last sentence, she wants to become an engineer. This is again the same case which was in sentence number 5. Engineer starts with a vowel, so we used N. Now concluding this video with a beautiful quote: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you want to change the world, you can use your education as the most powerful weapon. And please concentrate on your studies and give a nice response or a nice feedback to motivate all of us, all the teachers, because we are really working hard to provide you with the best of education, and we are going to every limit to provide you with the best. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, we will have Google meetings, of course, regarding this topic, so we will discuss in that. Try to solve the exercises given in your books to make your concepts clear about articles. Further practice and more practice makes you perfect. So go for the practice of articles.